Hey, what's up, amigos? It's been a minute. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back again for a brand new episode, a brand new video. This time, yes, back at it with fragrance haul videos. And this time it's gonna be for Maison Alhambra fragrances and strictly for winter fragrances because you guys know winter is coming. So yes, definitely brace yourselves. And also it's gonna be a unboxing presentation of one of the fragrances and also first impressions of one of these fragrances that I have here. So it's actually 6 fragrances, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the fragrances. I already took them out of the box, of their box, and I'm gonna display them for you. And yes, I'm sure some of you already recognized a few of these, but there is a few maybe that you didn't recognize, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna start with the easy ones, then the ones that are the, let's say, the unusual ones. And by the way, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. It is really important, and it helps the video, it helps the channel a lot, and I will really appreciate it. Like. So yes, fragrance numero uno. So the first one is this one right here. This is Verencia Rouge, and as you guys know, yes, it is an inspiration of a very good inspiration of Versace Eros Flame. And this one, really, I mean, Versace Eros Flame is getting discontinued, and also this one is it kind of disappeared, like from I don't find it anywhere, like rarely. And if it comes, I mean, if you find it in a store, you find it in a on a website, it gets sold out easily and quickly because they don't have a quantity of it. So I already have a bottle of this, but yes, so I like it very much, and I decided to, like, why not, it's a cheapie, it's super cheap, like why not get another bottle, as I said, especially because Versace Eros Flame is getting discontinued, and also this one is getting hard to find. So the first fragrance, Verencia Rouge. So yes, the fragrance numero dos. So for the number 2, or numero dos, it's gonna be another box or another bottle of a black Origami, and I already did a review about for this one. It was like a first impression and unboxing, etc. I didn't come back with the review for this one because I didn't really, let's say it this way, I didn't have time, and also when I checked YouTube there was already plenty other reviews. So maybe in the future I will come back with another review for it. And yes, after trying this one like many times in different weather, different conditions, I realized that this one is actually a dupe or a clone or an inspiration of Tom Ford Black Orchid, the EDT, the eau de toilette, not the eau de parfum. So the eau de parfum is much heavier, much denser. It has that, I think also it has that, how do you say it, like that oomph from the oud, and it has that push. So this one is much closer to the EDT, that's a little bit, let's just say a little bit fresher, especially in the opening, and it's much, let's say this way, lighter. So it's like a lighter version of Black Orchid. So the EDT is actually a lighter version of the EDP, even though I'm not sure about that, but I believe the EDT came to the market before the EDP, but I'm not sure about that. I will have to check my informations, but also you can definitely correct me in the comment section down below. So the second fragrance is definitely Black Origami 100 ml eau de parfum from Maison Alhambra. The third fragrance, numero tres. So the number 3 from this fragrance haul, you guys already guessed what it is, especially because of its shape, because of its box. So yes, this is Glacier Noir, also from Maison Alhambra, obviously. And I already tried this fragrance before, but I didn't really give it like time and I didn't really like like solidly own it to give it a chance to try it in different conditions, different weather, etc. So I decided to, like, why not get a bottle for myself, and yeah, especially that it is known to be an inspiration of Jean-Paul Gaultier, Le Mâle, Le Parfum. Yes, I remember that when I tried it the first time and I sniffed my hand, I mean that opening, I wasn't really convinced, and I was like, they missed. That was like right away I was like, they missed. But then I see reviews about it and this and that, and I'm like, maybe I should give it a chance. So yes, this time I am giving it a chance after like 1.5 years or maybe 2 years from the first time when I tried it. So the third fragrance on this fragrance haul is a Glacier Noir Eau de Parfum by Maison Alhambra. So the fourth one, numero 4. So the fourth one is, yes, this one right here. This is Philos Opus Noir, and this comes from the Philos line. They have like, I think like four fragrances. They have this one, the Noir, the black one. They have that one right there that I have over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's Philos Pura, which is a clone of Zerjov or Sospiro Erba Pura, but I don't really like it that much. I feel like it is super synthetic, and as you guys already know, I'm not really a big fan of Erba Pura, but I said let's give it a try, let's see how it is, especially when I heard that the performance is amazing and this and that, so I wasn't really convinced about it. So yes, there is, as I said, there is the Opus Noir, there is the Philos Pura, there is Philos Centro, and also Philos Rosso. So the Philos Rosso is, how do you say it? It's like an inspiration of Baccarat Rouge, but I tried that one. I tried Philos Rosso, I gave it many chances. That fragrance is an abomination. So I don't want to go on to not hurt anyone's feelings with my opinion about that fragrance, but let's say it this way, I don't like that one at all. But I tried Philos Opus Noir before. I really liked it. I have a friend that owns this fragrance, and he allowed me to use it a few times, from his bottle, and I liked it very much. So I decided, like, why not to get it for this winter, and maybe in the future I will try to do like a top 10 winter fragrances from Maison Alhambra. So definitely guys, stay tuned, even though I know that maybe other people have done that topic for that video, like top 10 fragrances from Maison Alhambra for the winter. But yes, I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna do my video as well. So yes, definitely stay tuned for that video in the very soon future. So this was for the fourth fragrance, Philos Opus Noir. So what about the fifth and sixth fragrance? So I'm gonna get straight to it. It is actually two fragrances that are inspirations from the niche house Memo Paris or Memo Paris. So this one on the right is an inspiration of African leather by Memo Paris, and this one is an inspiration of a Russian leather from Memo Paris. So they also have other dupes from that niche house. They have other inspirations of fragrances from that niche house. I own one of them, but I don't think I have it here. I didn't bring it here for the video. It's called Dublin. So Dublin is a clone of Irish leather by Memo Paris. So yes, Afro leather, as I said, a dupe of African leather, and it's gonna be for this one right here from Maison Alhambra that I'm gonna unbox in front of you live on video, and I'm gonna give you a presentation, a tour of the box, of the bottle, show you the presentation, the packaging, etc., and give it a try. I'm gonna do first impressions right here. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm gonna open it right now. So yes, let's go. Vamos. So yes, the cellophane has to be such a tough. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna skip the cellophane opening and come back to you. Phew! Oh, that was really, that was like mission impossible with that cellophane wrap. I was like, and it was really hard to take it off. Anyways, Russe leather or Russe leather by Maison Alhambra, an inspiration of Russian leather. I never owned Russian leather. I mean, let's just be let's put it this way. I never owned Russian leather before from Memo Paris, but I heard a lot about it, and I heard a lot about that niche house. Of course, I mean, there is not gonna say millions, but there is dozens, or let's say hundreds of reviews about fragrances from that niche house. So I expect this one to be of a better quality or higher quality than other fragrances from Maison Alhambra. And as I said, I already have Dublin leather by Maison Alhambra, which is an inspiration of Irish leather by Memo Paris. So I already have an idea about the packaging, the bottle, etc., etc. Anyways, let me show you the box. So the name of the fragrance, the name of the company right here. The box is not really really that tough, not really that hard or heavy. It's like a regular Maison Alhambra box, like the other fragrances, maybe like like for Philos or the other ones. So right here we have the authentication stamp from Maison Alhambra. It's kind of holographic. The name of the fragrance, Russe leather, ingredients, etc., etc. Right here, down below, we have the QR code, barcode, ingredients, Latafa website, and right here we have the batch code and the production date 2021 actually. Wow, so this is like an old batch. The production date, it says 2021, expiration date 2026. So hopefully the fragrance is not bad. All right, let's check it out. Oh wow, oh look at that bottle. Isn't this familiar? Look at this. Look at this. Wow. They copied it. I mean, they went for Russian leather, like it looks so much like it. Even though, yes, the bottle for Maison Alhambra is much, let's say, slimmer. And by the way, this comes in an 80 ml, yes, 80 ml size bottle. Right here, you have it on fluid ounces and eau de parfum concentration. And wow, I didn't expect it to look like this. I thought that maybe they will change the look of the bottle or something else. And I actually didn't really watch any reviews about it, by the way. So yes, let's open it. And yeah, the cap is heavier than any other Maison Alhambra caps for the other perfumes. It doesn't click, but it's super tight. But as I say, always never hold your bottles from the caps. They might fall down and they might break, and they might break your heart. So anyways, let's give it a try. Let's spray it. Let's see about the sprayer. 1, 2, 3. The sprayer is not really that powerful. Not really. I would say like it's a basic. Oh, the smell! I can smell it from here. Oh, it smells really good, and it has this it has this density and has this. It feels like a super projecting fragrance. I'm not gonna say beast mode because I think that expression is overused in the fragrance community. And it smells really. It smells definitely really, really leathery, but it's definitely different type of leather that I smelled in other fragrances. It smells like a leather and I don't know, maybe like some sort of sandalwood and patchouli. As I said, I didn't watch any reviews about it. I didn't like look up the notes or anything, and I don't have any idea about Russian leather from Memo Paris. I mean, the name says leather, so of course I expect leathery animalic accords, which is the case right now. And it does feel a little bit spicy. a little bit aromatic as well. But this leather feels really leathery, but like old school type of leather. Like a dry leather. I would say it this way, like a dry, like the leather that's been like, I don't know, like if you have a jacket and it's been raining and your jacket got wet, and after a little bit, it dried, and it has that kind of smell, if you know what I mean. If you ever owned a real leather jacket, you will definitely get what I'm saying. And it smells really good. It smells really, really nice. I like the scent, to be honest with you. But it feels, to be honest, it feels definitely, how do you say it? It feels a little bit mature, and much more mature than Dublin leather from Maison Alhambra, which is an inspiration of Irish leather by Memo Paris. So this one is like a step ahead in maturity. So it's like more mature for like the man that's like, I would say like plus 45 years old. But I would not really say it smells like a grandfather or something like that, like some expressions we hear in the fragrance community. But it definitely smells old school. It's also like it has maybe like some sort of leather and maybe a little bit of I don't know how to say it. It feels like it's like polo green. If you ever smelled polo green, and you mixed it with leather accords, animalic accords, that kind of vibe, if you understand what I'm saying. And it smells nice. It smells really nice. The quality feels good. I don't feel like the scent is like growing or like super synthetic or any of that. It smells. I mean, it's actually worth another 2 sprays actually. So yes, I'm gonna give it a full wearing. I'm gonna try it a few days, like why not? And come back to you guys with a full review of it. And the smell is really addictive, to be honest with you. I cannot really stop smelling my hand, even though this is not really my style, like fragrances that have that old school type of vibe, like that have that also those accords that you might find in polo green. So it's kind of like, as I said, polo green with leathery, like added leathery and animalic accords. So yes, I think this video is getting longer. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. I hope that you guys liked this fragrance haul, and I hope that you appreciated this unboxing, first impression of this one. Definitely stay tuned for the review for Russe leather or Russe leather from Maison Alhambra, and top 10s and fake versus real videos, etc, etc. So definitely stay tuned. But yes, don't forget to like the video. It is really, really important. Like. So I'll see you later. Peace. Bye.